how you can set custom ringtone on your WhatsApp. And before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us just start. First, you can try and go to your settings, and from settings you can just go to the notification and search for WhatsApp. But there is a catch. Just search for WhatsApp, scroll down till you find WhatsApp, and right here you won't find a sounds button right there, but you can directly go to WhatsApp's notification settings. And after you go there, you will see the message notification sound right here, and from here you can just choose the ringtone that you want. Now after you choose the sound for your settings, you can just choose a sound for your group notifications too, and status notification too. So that is pretty much it, guys. From here where you can just set a ringtone or your WhatsApp notification sound. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and